A bronze statue of a girl offering a tulip to a seated man. Salmon Run Bell Tower in the background. Water sprays on salmon sculpture.
Why we're here today is because we want to celebrate the return of one of Vancouver's
Russell Ford, artist and Vancouver Culture, Arts and Heritage Commission, addresses people.
most beloved park artworks. The Salmon Run Bell Tower reminds us that art belongs not only in museums, but in the everyday spaces where people gather to foster connections and to create memories.
Sam and Mildred Robinson of the Chinook Nation, wearing traditional hats and playing native drums.
The Chinook people believe the salmon to be one of the tribes.
Diorama of Chinook people fishing on the Columbia River.
When the diorama was proposed in 2002, the Chinook Indian Nation was consulted on both the story and the imagery. Together, the panels tell the story by honoring life and maintaining balance with nature.
The propster's gift created a landmark that has become instantly recognizable to generations
Anne McEnerny-Ogle, Mayor, City of Vancouver.
of Vancouver residents.
Workers repairing clock tower.
But after 23 years of weather, continual use in aging parts, the tower needed significant restoration. And today's celebration is about preservation, but it's also about the future. We're ensuring that future generations can experience this landmark just as previous generations have.
cityofvancouver.us/Esther Short Park.
May the spirit of the river be the strength of the people.